Hello folks and welcome to this new channel. At first I want to say I created this channel with the intention to show you guys how to work with Blender and how you can have a little fun with it. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can model simple trees in Blender. So we're going to start by removing the default cube because we don't need it anymore. And then you're gonna want to head over here and click on edit and then preferences. That opens up your settings, and I'm already on add-ons here, and you want to search for tree and take this one here. I did it already, so I don't have to take it this way, but then you want to refresh it and leave it, and then you got everything you need. After that, you want to add something into your project. You do that by pressing Shift and A at the same time. Then it opens up this menu. After that, you want to head over to curves, and down here, sapling tree gen. And after you click that, it opened up your normal tree standard thing. But you don't want to have the standard thing, so yeah, I clicked. That's an error of mine. But you want to have this one, and in your left bottom hand corner, you got this little bar over here, and if you click on it, it's this customization settings box. And here you can customize nearly everything you want to customize in this tree. Yeah, you can load presets now down here. I like the Japanese one here. You can play with the settings as you want. You can select the one you want to have. This one is a bit big for the tutorial. I might stay with the Japanese one. And then you want to click up here and head over to your leaves. Then you want to click show leaves, and it's going to add these little leaves that does make quite the look yet because it's just not that many. You maybe want to make them a bit more so they look like this, or you make them not that small. Maybe you make them 10. Then you got a bit more of it, and then you can scale the leaf up a bit so you have a bit more of a leaf you can see, and that the leaves don't have to be everywhere on the branch, so yeah, looks a bit more like a tree. You can change the leaves to look like this, and you can make them points and sticks, but I'm going to stick with the traditional ones. Yeah. If you are happy with what you created, then you just can click out of this menu. Just make sure you don't click out of it before you finished your tree, because after you clicked out, you can come back there. So it just disappears, and you can't get this menu back without deleting the tree and making a new one. I'm just going to add a plane under it. So if you want to make a plane under the tree, so it kind of looks like a floor. You will have to untick these two so it doesn't resize the tree. And then you gonna want to press S and resize it to whatever size you want to have it. And then you can select the leaves and the tree by pressing Shift after you select the first. You can tap up here and just move it sideways. And with Shift D, you can copy the tree so it's a bit more nature-like. Yeah. And at this point, I would like to end the tutorial. If you have any questions about making trees and using Blender, ask them in the comments. And if you have any questions about the texturing, just wait. Next week, I'm going to publish a tutorial on how to get these two, the branches and the leaves, with texture. And with that, I want to say till next week and goodbye.